Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, as you can see, I have bacon, some sausage links, I got some potato, this is hash brown, I have some bread and 6 eggs and some butter, salt and pepper. And today I'm going to be making you guys an all-American slam from Denny's. Alright, so stay tuned in and let's kick. Alright, so what I did here was took like 2 cups of hot water, and you have to let this soak for like about 15 minutes or whatever to get thick like it is right here. Alright, so we're going to be making some hash brown, and that's what I use right here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and jump into this. Take some of these sausage links. That calls for like, so I'm making 3 plates. So they get 2 sausage links a piece. So it's total 6, but I'm gonna throw an extra one in there since I leave a 1 in there. So that's that on that one. You get 2 pieces of bacon, so it's a total of 6 pieces of bacon. And I'm just putting them on this pan, and I'm gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, guys, until it gets done. Need 6 eggs. So take these out. Yes, Denny's All-American Grand Slam. I used to work at Denny's. I'm quite sure you guys are. Well, for those that didn't know, I used to work at Denny's a long time ago, and they had some fantastic food. No doubt about it. But when you can't go to Denny's, guess what? You make your own Denny's. I'm telling you, it tastes better too. So we're just gonna mix these eggs up, and then for about good 2 or 3 minutes till they get nice and airy and bubbly, and then we'll take you guys over there. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I put a tablespoon of butter in there, and I put a teaspoon of olive oil. Remember, do not salt your eggs ahead of time. Okay? So we got this on medium. Actually a little too high, but I know how to master this. But it's just scrambled eggs. Alright guys, whenever it gets started. That's all you're going to be doing. Just like this, pulling it to the middle, just like so. Now we can turn that down. Not that hard. That's it. I may need a couple of more eggs because it's grand slam a little bit. This is probably enough for 2, so I need about a couple more eggs. Alright guys, we can turn this off. Now I'm gonna cook up them other 2 eggs and I'll show you what we'll be doing with the hash brown. Alright, at this point right here, you can salt. Just like that. Black pepper. Just like that. And we're done with this. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this hash brown. I just got some butter. Put some butter in here. That's enough. About like a tablespoon. We just come with our hash brown. Throw those in there just like so. This is the process. Spatula. We're just gonna let this sit up and brown or medium. In the meantime, between time, go ahead and get my bacon out. I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I just flipped it. I'm gonna take a little of this salt. I'm lightly dusting everything. So I mean, put what you want to put in yours. I just lightly dust mine. Just give it a little flavor. I put other like condiments on mine. Okay, that's it. So we're just gonna let that cook, guys. Then we're gonna divide it up. We start browning up pretty good here. Still on medium. See that? Starting to stick. That's what we want. Just like that. That's all I was doing. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and continue to do this. Let this sit. I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. So that you know, that's that right there. I'm letting the sausage link brown up a little bit on broil, on low setting. And then I'm going to put those on a plate. And I'm going to do that. The hash brown. Then I'm going to toast my bread up and we'll be done in a minute, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done. There it is. Denny's All-American Slam. From my home to yours. Now I hope you guys go ahead and make this. And it is delicious, I guarantee you. So please give me a like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends and family to tune into Dogg's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better. Okay? And please, please hit that bell for me so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen in a minute.